Thanks to the people that gave us the Henry Stickman plushies. I should order it. Hi, can I have the Henry Stickman plushies, please? Okay, there'll be 10 billion Bobix. Okay, epic. Ding ding dong. Your Henry Stickman plushies here. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, let's see them. We have Alien Charles. This is really cool plushies. Thank you very much. So, yes. Meanwhile, if I make videos, I'm gonna make videos, guys. I don't know. Meanwhile, if Teddy's gonna be big trouble when I say the troublemaker, I'm gonna kill you like Among Us.